Welcome to Kathy's Eclectic Garden. I'm Kathy and I garden in Zone 6A in Northwest Ohio. We had a hailstorm a couple days ago and it did some damage. I still have some crocus. I've got these two down here that are still looking really good. And it didn't seem to bother any of the early perennials that I've got coming up. The daffodils are looking hardy, and I've got a penstemon coming up here, and more daffodils and onions, alliums. You can see there's some more crocus over in there that are doing pretty good. But let me show you what it did to my house. This is the north side of my house. And there goes a train. And you can see it is just peppered with holes. We had hail 1.5 inches in diameter. And my siding didn't like it. Let's go look at the north side of the house. And this is the north side of the house. And you can see it is just covered with holes. It's a 2-story, or 1.5 actually. And it goes clear up to the top store, to the top of the top window. Shredded my screen. Fortunately, we have insurance and a son-in-law who is a contractor. He put this siding on for us about 6 years ago. So we'll get it repaired. Nobody was hurt, so that's good. And this is all that's left of my crocus that I showed you last week that were looking so pretty. They're just little blobs of color now. But spring is here. It's nice out today. I've been out working in the yard some. And I'm looking forward to getting flowers in the ground. Our local nursery opens April the 11th. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.